I hope you're ready for this dish because it's aimed to please. And yes, size does matter, especially in the kitchen. You want to make sure that the eggplant is perfect, so it has to be long, round, super meaty, and also tender to the touch. And let's turn it into these delicious meatballs so you can have something substantial to sink your teeth into. We're gonna start off by peeling our eggplant because skinless is always better. Next, we chop our eggplant, and it doesn't matter the cut as long as it's broken down. You're gonna add olive oil to a hot pan with your sweet onion, red onion, garlic, green bell pepper, and make sure you season it with salt and pepper. You saute it for about 5 minutes. You're gonna add in your eggplant. Now you're gonna season that as well, heavily with salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. You want to add some heat to this, so we're going to add in some crushed red pepper. After you mix it, you're going to add in some water so it doesn't burn, and you're going to cook it for about 7 minutes. And when I tell you the smell is impeccable, you're going to instantly crave these meaty balls right now. Next, you're going to turn off the heat and add in your vegan Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco sauce. Next, we're going to take our mixture and add it to a bowl because we want to keep all of our moisture. And we're going to allow this to cool down for about 20 minutes. Next, we add in our flaxseed meal, nutritional yeast, breadcrumbs, parsley, and basil, and give it a nice mix. On a plate, we'll add more panko breadcrumbs and season it with my Red House seasoning. Next, we're going to grab our balls and handle them gently while forming the perfect shape. You want to make sure you give it a nice evenly coat before putting it into the hot oil. These meatballs need to be nice, round, crispy, and brown. Spray a baking dish or a cast iron skillet with nonstick spray and add your balls. Add in your seasoned tomato sauce and some plant-based liquid mozzarella and give it a nice pour. Make sure you season this with salt and pepper and put it in the oven on broil for about 3 minutes. When these meatballs are ready to come out of the oven, it will be bubbling, hot, and steamy, and you know you have something ready to devour. Now the best part is sinking your teeth into these juicy, tender eggplant meatballs. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe out and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Be sure to be following Chef Joya for the best recipes there is. Ciao.